How to buy glasses online at Anrri. Buying glasses online for the first time can feel a little overwhelming. But at Anrri, we've designed a simple and easy-to-follow process with guidance every step of the way. Whether you already have your prescription ready or just want to browse styles, this guide will walk you through each step, giving you peace of mind when placing your order. Remember, our customer service team is always here to help if you need anything. Step 1. Choose your frames. Let's start by choosing your frames. Go to our product catalog and browse all the styles. If you see a lot of options, don't worry. You can use the filters to narrow down your choices by size, shape, material, or color. If you see a frame you like, click on it to open the product page. Here, you can choose the color, view frame details and dimensions, read customer reviews, and check our return policy. Not sure how they'll look on you? Try the virtual try-on feature. You can upload a photo or use your camera to preview the fit. If you like the frame, you can save it to your wish list or move on to selecting lenses. Step 2. Customizing your lenses. Once you're ready, click the Select Lenses button. First, choose the lens type that matches your vision needs. If you don't need vision correction, choose non-prescription lenses. If your prescription has a minus sign, choose distance lenses. If it has a plus sign, choose reading lenses. And if you need both near and distance correction, choose progressive lenses. Next, you'll enter your pupillary distance, also called PD. This helps us align your lenses correctly for clear and comfortable vision. If you don't know your PD, no problem, just follow the simple measuring guide on the screen. Then, enter your prescription values, sphere, cylinder, and axis. If you have a photo of your prescription, you can upload it and skip manual typing. Before moving on, take a moment to double-check that everything is entered correctly. Step 3. Choosing lens features. Now it's time to choose your lens features. Think about how you'll use your glasses most often. If you spend a lot of time on screens, blue light blocking lenses can help reduce eye strain. For everyday wear, clear lenses are a great choice. If you want sun protection, you can turn your frames into sunglasses. And if you want one pair for both indoor and outdoor use, photochromic lenses automatically adjust to light. Next, you'll choose your lens thickness and performance level. We offer for options from standard to ultimate. As you move up, lenses become thinner and lighter. All lenses include anti-reflective and scratch-resistant coatings. Some options also include added UV, water, and smudge protection. If you're not sure which level to choose, here's a helpful guideline. Light prescriptions usually work well with standard. Medium prescriptions fit nicely with advanced or premium. And stronger prescriptions are best with ultimate lenses. This helps keep your glasses comfortable and well balanced. Once you've made your selections, review everything and confirm the price. Step 4. Completing your order. When you're ready, add your glasses to the cart. On the checkout page, review your frame color and lens options, apply any discount codes you may have. Choose your payment method, such as PayPal, Google Pay, or credit card. Then enter your shipping details so we know where to deliver your order. Once everything looks correct, click Pay Now to complete your purchase. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order details and tracking information. If you have any questions at any point, our support team is always happy to help. Thanks for choosing Anrri.